Welcome to Kaia's cooking show. Today we're going to show you how to make oatmeal. First, pour in milk. Then, in oatmeal. Then, in a pinch of salt. Add some cinnamon and add a little bit of cinnamon. And then put berries. And put it in the microwave. Bye.
Thanks so much.
Thanks for watching Kaia's cooking show.